Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 25th, 2021, and on today's video, we're going to give you all an update on the price movement of XRP. But before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate the content that we are delivering, give me all a heads up as to where price is going to go, then make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also you may want to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in seeing our stock price predictions, head on over to our other channel, our second YouTube channel, HueFin News 2 Stocks. There, we are going to place all of our stock price predictions, just trying to make sure we keep the cryptocurrency and the stocks segregated from getting confused in terms of how we predict markets. All right. So let's go ahead and get started into this particular price prediction for XRP. Now, it's been 3 days. January 22nd was the last time we did our video for XRP, and we were expecting the trap to continue to increase the price. Now, the trap is the one who moves the market. If you guys haven't been watching our videos prior to today, the trap is the one who moves the price. His whole job is to make sure that he creates a market, that he brings the buyers and the sellers together for a particular product. And once you follow what he does based off the price bars and volume, you can actually predict where the market is going to go. So as I zoom in on this particular price chart for XRP, we pretty much expected the market to hold that range, just trade sideways. We wasn't expecting any massive movement high in price or even to the downside. We're pretty much expecting him to just trade this market in a range, and he's been doing that precisely. Now, in between that, we've been looking for him to really try to push the price higher in XRP. And over the last 3 days, you guys can tell we got very small spread. We had very light volume comparative to what occurred the prior time we did our prediction. So we're seeing some lack of interest in the market in XRP around 27 cents. So that gives us a heads up. It lets us know that the market should be it should be ready to move to a different price level. Okay, whether that's to the upside, to the downside, we'll have to look at different price charts in order to try to grasp where the market is headed. So let's do that real quick. Let's look at the market on a 3-day time frame for XRP, and you all can see here that on a 3-day time frame, the weakness came through on this particular 3-day price bar, which bled into this last completed 3-day price bar. But I want you all to pay attention to where we closed. Can you all see where the market closed on this last completed 3-day price bar? You're right, we closed higher than the close from the last one. This one right here. The market closed higher. So if anything, that lets us know that the trap is trying to prop up the price in XRP. He is not willing to lower the value of this particular cryptocurrency yet. That's on the 3-day time frame. So let's take a look at the market in XRP on the 5-day. So here on the 5-day time frame, we're seeing something a little bit different. This is what we term a probable precursor of strength, meaning that the next 5-day price bar will have to close higher than its current one. And if so, then that tells us that the market is still strong, and we would be looking for XRP to go higher in price. It's nothing hard, nothing difficult to see and understand. So we have 12 hours and 45 minutes left before this current 5-day price bar ends. And if I were to take a snapshot right now, this is precisely what that price bar is. It's a precursor of strength. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at it on the weekly, since we are starting a new work week in XRP. Now, this is here where we see weakness. Okay. The weakness into the market in XRP is definitely being displayed. Last week, the market in XRP tried to go higher in price, and we closed right back to where we started. So we're starting right back at zero into the market in XRP. I mean, the market from January the 11th on the close, we ended last week at the same, well, I'm not going to say at the same, but we're pretty close to the same area we closed on this weekly price bar from January the 11th. So the market in XRP is stagnated. There's not a lot of price activity to go on now, considering that we got the XRP SEC lawsuit going through, considering that many cryptocurrency exchanges are delisting this particular currency. For us to see this market in XRP able to hold its own within this range is pretty good. That's very good to see. So the market in XRP is healthy considering all of the negativity surrounding it. So what do you all think the market's going to do? I mean, the market in XRP is still trending, still trading above this ascending line, but it wants to go higher, but it got walloped with some selling right there around 30 cents. So what do you all expect the market to do? What about on the monthly time frame? See, on the monthly time frame, you would be expecting the market in XRP to go lower, and we have 6 days, 13 hours left, and the market in XRP is holding its own. I mean, that was a massive amount of selling that came through for the month of December. Look at that volume. And for us to see the market in XRP closing above the previous close from last month is very good too. Now we got 6 days left, so you need to take that with a grain of salt. We need to wait to the completion of this monthly January price bar before we actually will say that for confirmation. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep our forecast unchanged. We're not going to change our forecast in XRP. We're going to give the trap more opportunity to continue to convince us that he wants to increase the price. We're not seeing anything that has drastically changed over the last 3 days that would make us want to alter the forecast. So we're going to continue to go on with our forecast into the market in XRP. As always, there's a comment section in this video. You can leave us a comment. If you all think something totally different, which is fine, leave us a comment. Tell everyone where you expect the market in XRP to be in 3 days, and where would you take the lick? Where would you take the bag at from the trap? At what price? And that's it. So hopefully you all were able to see what we're talking about in terms of our expectations. If not, we'll do more videos. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.